Good morning, everyone. So today, my topic is about the how does pressure change with the ocean depth. So now let's proceed to discussing how does the pressure change with the ocean depth. So how does pressure change with ocean depth? Ocean depth. So at sea level, the air that surrounds us presses down our bodies at 14.7 pounds per square inch. You don't feel it because the fluids in our body are pushing outward with the same force. So we know that ocean waters cover about 70% of the planet. On average, the water is 3,800 meters or almost 2.4 miles deep. But in the deepest spots, seawater fills a mind-boggling 11,000 meters or 6.8 miles of space above the seafloor. As anyone who has tried diving to the bottom of deep of a pool knows, all the water gets heavy. So as we try to dive into the deepest spot of the pool, we can feel like our bodies being pressed. No? So now let's proceed. Dive down into the ocean even a few feet, though, and a visible change occurs. You can feel an increase in pressure on your eardrums. This is due to an increase in hydrostatic pressure, the force per unit area exerted by a liquid on an object. So, when a person, fish, or other marine creatures swim, water presses against all sides of them. They feel equal pressure from all the directions. The deeper you go under the sea, the greater the pressure of the water pushing down on you. So, as you travel deeper in water, pressure increase. Under pressure is called hydrostatic pressure. Hydro means water and static means at rest. The more water you have above you, the more it pushes against you. But water doesn't only pushes down from above. It also pushes in from all sides and even from below. So that upward force is called buoyancy. It what keeps us float in the water. And as it mentioned nga na the deeper we go, as we travel deeper in water, the pressure increase. It is because for every 33 feet or 10 meters we go down, the pressure increases by 1 atmosphere. So, in the sea level, we have 1 atmosphere. And if we go deeper 10 meters, madadagdagan siya ng another 1 atmospheric pressure. So, in every 10 meters, the pressure there is 2 atmospheric pressure. So when the diver reaches 10 meters, the pressure is double what the surface. For every 10 meters of water, hydrostatic pressure increases by 1 atmosphere. So yun na nga yung na-mention ko kanina. So, many animals that live in the sea have no trouble at all with high pressure. Whales, for instance, can withstand dramatic pressure changes because their bodies are more flexible. The ribs are bound by loose, bendable cartilage, which allows the rib cage to collapse at pressures that would easily snap our bones. So, some marine animals travel between deep ocean and the surface. Sperm animals, or sperm whales, for example, are the deepest diving animal. They breathe air, but they have collapsible ribs and lungs that allow the whales to handle the pressure without causing damage. So, for sa human naman, the deepest na naabot lang nila is around 40 feet. According sa research ko, 40 feet lang. And all the pressure causes serious problems for people and other air-breathing animals. Our lungs fill with air and we have air-filled spaces in our heads. Too much pressure would collapse those spaces, crushing us. Animals adapted to deep ocean life don't have air pocket in their body. So, another reason din naman that's why hindi masyado na-explore ang ocean depth is because of that pressure. Kasi some of the tools na ginagamit ng mga um, oceanographers is hindi nakakaya yung pressure. But ngayon, since mas modern na ang panahon ngayon, they have more modernized na mga tools na or mga machines na ginagamit para ma-explore ang ocean.